Hey guys, it's Powerstorm, and today we're gonna play Shadow Fight 2 again. Okay, so let me just. Okay. Well, I've been progressing a bit, so I got size. I think I got the helmet I wanted, and another robe. So I think we have enough to beat Brick now. Maybe go on the next level or something. Okay, let's just wait for it. What's wrong? Oh, it's loading. Okay. So yeah, I got size. So easy. Yeah, let's beat Brick. Lynx has a really weird weapon. I can't figure out the name for it, but so he's the new Wolverine, I guess. See, this should be easy because the difficulty was easy. So, oh, see how much he. Oh, look at how much health he has. Never mind, that was me. I don't use my kick. Oh my god. How did he shock me? I could use my kicks now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ouch, yeah. Ooh. Okay. That was pretty easy. Except the part when you shocked me. And unlock some new moves. Oh, shocked him. That's what happens when you shock me in the first round. 5 combo, come on. Yeah. Killed him. Perfect. Oh, I didn't even lose any health. Not a scratch. Okay, 419. I don't understand. How could one so small defeat me? Well, guess what I just did. Ooh, a duel. Random equipment. So, oh, I can get a sword. Like a ninja sword. Or machete. Oh. What if I get a blood reaper? Never mind, I just got stupid knives. Never mind, not so stupid anymore, but actually I kinda like those knives. And daggers. Ouch. Wait, did I get okay. Okay, so that's how it's gonna go now, huh? Okay. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. He was ready this time. Okay. Oh god. He hates me. He hates me. Stop. Yeah. Oh god. I forgot. Oh. That's how I meant for it to go. Oh. Beat him. Barely. He's like brutal. Oh yeah. Hit. That's what I like about knives. You can like get easily head hits. Not so much in the size. Because they're so thin. Okay. Yeah. Head hit. See how easily he's gonna go down? That's why I love knives. Maybe I should upgrade my knives. So next time I'm just gonna have to wait for I'll do that later. Okay, so let's go get some new gear. Hindu mask. The Hindu mask. Okay. How about this? Hindu. Upgrade. No, I'm just gonna, upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade my size. Oh no. Why can't I use my gems for them? Okay, it's 5 gems. Okay. 8 gems. Wow, I had exactly enough. No, I didn't. Okay. So let's go to the map. Whoa. Okay, I'm and I unlocked this new thing, survival. So they're gonna be like different rounds. So I go against like different people. So Ninja 1, I guess. Yeah, that guy's easy. They just keep coming. I'm just gonna see how much rounds I can get up to. Ouch. That could have like ripped the guy's head. My next video might be about FIFA 15, I guess. Yeah. Well, I play 14 a lot, but 15. Ah. Or maybe I just do Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I'm still not recovered from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Ah. That video. Anyways. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, I'm not fighting a girl. That was just easy. Easy. You didn't even have to do that trick. Oh, okay. Oh. Ah, shock. How can he shock me like that? It's not nice. Whoa, okay, okay. Oh, okay. My kicks are coming in use again. What the? Oh, no. Ouchie. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Oh, come on, I missed. Oh, oh, that wasn't me. I'm just so, oh my god. Really, Ninja? I actually thought that was gonna work. Okay, so I have 2 lives left, so let's just do tournament. Oh yeah, Iron Fist again. Yeah, but the tag doesn't explain it, so. Oh, 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 look how much health is lost already. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Ouch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right before I get to root my phone, I'm just gonna be done. Alright, there's a round 2, I completely forgot. I'm just gonna go back. Okay, he didn't let me. How mean can he get? Oops. 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 Oh, okay. Not really an oops, but... Come on, stop. Stop, 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 stop. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, shocked him at the end. And survival or the survival? Ooh, hard. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna do links in the next one. Next video. That's gonna be like a few days. Or maybe like, I don't know, Monday or something. Okay. I'm just gonna go records. I don't have a plan. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Oh! Did you see that? I like the music though. I like the music when you're fighting like Link's bodyguards. That's pretty cool. Oh, I just beat her already. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, ouch. Okay, that's got to hurt. It's like so sharp. Okay, head hit. That put like a guy in hospital. Maybe not even alive. The game makes no sense though, but it's fun. Okay. I'm just doing random tapping. Oh yeah. She should lose already. Oh, again. And her difficulty was like hard. Not bad. You've reached a new level. Okay, cool. What's this? Learn double jump kick. Yay. Show me. Oh, how do I do that? Up, kick, kick. Up, kick, kick. Up, kick, kick. Okay. I guess I can do that. And this reward. Okay, so I got a new whip. But don't have enough for that. This I could get later. Whoa. I'm just gonna get this, and yeah, I'll get that. In the next video, I think I'm gonna fight Lynx's bodyguards. Insane. Oh god. Okay, so it's still hard. That's it for now. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.